If you're searching for Bitcoin halving, you probably have one set of questions in mind. Should you buy, sell, hold, or trade Bitcoin over the coming weeks? In this video, I'm going to share insights into the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, historic outcomes, and what could happen this time around. Bitcoin is set for big volatility. This event happens once every 4 years, and you don't lose half your Bitcoin if you're holding it now. This event means miners will have a tougher time getting rewards, or basically getting half the rewards that they earn from mining Bitcoin. And this affects miner profitability. So demand isn't affected as such, however supply is reduced, which will eventually affect price as Bitcoin is more difficult to obtain. Preemptive buying has been seen on Bitcoin, and we've seen all-time highs closely before this event. With more eyes on crypto than some previous events, and considering the 2020 event was inside the COVID risks, this event could be a serious contender for investors looking for capital gains. The Bitcoin halving effect on the crypto market. On the 19th of April 2024, Bitcoin will have its fourth halving event. There's a few ways you can access the moves that could be impending over the next year or so. Bitcoin and other altcoins can be bought through exchanges like SwiftX or KuCoin. Exchanges can be a risky place to hold your stock, so it is important to send your tokens back to your own wallet. Leaving things on the exchange leave them susceptible to hacking, the exchange itself going down, and so on. Ledger hardware wallets protect your crypto purchases and keep them offline and untargetable for hackers when offline. Just don't lose it or forget your password. It's fine to think you won't get hacked, but holding a token worth a lot of money isn't worth the risk. I know too many people, including myself, that have been hacked or lost coins due to not having the right wallet in place, or the exchange itself disappears along with your hard-earned funds. Stay safe with a Ledger hardware wallet. Links in the description below. Some people may rather skip all the troubles and fear of transferring to the wrong crypto address and simply trade on a platform that does it all in one. No funny transfers, no having to hold a hardware wallet or anything like that. Just hit buy or sell and use leverage to maximize the value of positions. For that, fxtrading.com offer access to Bitcoin in a trading account that is protected by strong laws and regulation. Way less concern of being hacked for tokens while still accessing the price moves of Bitcoin and other crypto like XRP or Ripple and much more. If you don't already have an account with fxtrading.com, there's a link in the description to open an account. What is the Bitcoin halving? The Bitcoin halving is an event that is programmed into the Bitcoin algorithm that halves the rewards available to Bitcoin miners. This is a deflationary concept that maintains scarcity of the asset compared to that of fiat currency, which is an inflationary asset. And fiat currency is basically like the USD, the Japanese yen, the euro, and so on. What happened in previous Bitcoin halving events? Due to the crypto halving event driving attention and focus to Bitcoin and crypto as a whole, the Bitcoin price often greatly benefits after the event occurs. Just like when economic news events bring volatility to forex pairs, this halving event brings a massive amount of attention to Bitcoin. This is particularly true because the event has only happened 3 times in the history so far, along with the one that's coming up now, to bring it to 4. What was the effect on altcoins? Altcoin prices are driven up alongside Bitcoin as the crypto space gains attention and investment. Due to many altcoins being cheap, they can be susceptible to bigger volatility and greater percentage gains. Additionally, when in pre-exchange phase or unlisted on exchanges like SwiftX or KuCoin, they can be a bit tricky to buy and transfer to yourself. You have to have some crypto, swap it for the token you want, or perhaps even another token that converts into the token you want, and finally send that final token to your wallet, ensuring that you have some of that original crypto to pay for gas fees. Because of this difficulty and often low price for the unlisted tokens, combined with the boost of the Bitcoin halving attention, followed by a listing on popular exchanges at some point in the future, altcoin prices can expand rapidly. While they can go to zero and completely disappear, they can also get to a normalized number, so holding millions of a token that eventually gets to $1 could be worth celebrating. What other world influences impact Bitcoin price movements? China banning crypto and allowing funds to leave China saw what seemed to be a flood of money leave the country into Bitcoin and other crypto assets. Dangerous countries benefited from crypto as a payment method rather than accepting, carrying, and holding cash that can be easily robbed through force, whereas crypto is much harder to access without the knowledge to back it up, reducing the risk of thugs taking your money. This inevitably reduced the ability for low-level thieves to attack and steal someone's paycheck on their way home from their job. When global risks show up, Bitcoin can be seen as digital gold. So not only political shifts and carrying your paycheck can drive the value of crypto up, but also the events that are happening around the globe right now can impact the flow of money into this digital version of gold. What could happen this time? Pre-emptive buying has seen Bitcoin hit all-time highs closely before the event. With more eyes on crypto than some previous events, and considering the 2020 event was inside the COVID risks, this event could be a serious contender for investors looking for capital gains. Sometimes the market doesn't rally straight away or drops heavily, but eventually each event has seen the all-time highs surpassed over time. That's likely the effect of reduced supply kicking in, but many other effects could be at play here as well. Let me know in the comments whether you are buying and holding and what price you think Bitcoin will hit in 2025.